Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. In this video, I'm going to show you some simple and effective troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. If you're trying to download a game on Steam but it's just not downloading, then keep watching. First of all, open the Steam application. From the top left corner, click on Steam, then go to Settings. Now open the Downloads tab. The first thing we're going to check is the download region. Make sure the download region is set to the location closest to where you're currently based. For example, I'm using UK, London, but you should select a server near your location for the best results. Next, click on the Storage tab from the left side. Here, click on the three dots, then select Repair Library. This will scan your Steam library for any issues and automatically fix them if something is wrong. Once the scan is complete, close this window. Now, come back to the Downloads section. Here, look for the option Throttle Downloads while streaming, and make sure this option is turned off, as this can stop or slow down Steam downloads. After that, click on Clear Download Cache. Press Confirm, and Steam will ask you to log in again. Simply log back into your Steam account and check if the issue is fixed. If Steam is still not downloading games, the next step is to check your firewall settings. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. On the left side, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then click Change Settings. Scroll down and look for Steam in the list. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. If Steam is not listed, click on Allow another app, select Browse, then go to Program Files, x86, and then Steam. Find steam.exe, double-click it, and click Add. Again, ensure both private and public are checked, then click OK. Next, we'll clear the network cache. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command: IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Press Enter, and once it's done, close the command prompt. If the problem still continues, let's update the network drivers. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand Network Adapters, then locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and click Search automatically for drivers. If an update is available, Windows will install it automatically. Finally, if none of these methods work, the last solution is to reinstall Steam completely. Open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, find Steam, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, press Windows plus R, type %localapdata%. Press Enter, and if you see a Steam folder, delete it. Now go to the official Steam website, download Steam again, and reinstall it. Hopefully, by following these steps, your Steam download issue is now fixed and you can start downloading games without any problem. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.